So here's a play you can start running today, guys. Not gonna cost you a lot of money, but this is how you guys can make some money every single day. We're probably gonna do two different things in this video. I'm gonna show you the play and I'm gonna show you how to get the play to the world ASAP, guys. So the first play, I have a savings program. Pretty much you can save money on everything you do. They have 3 memberships. I sell these all week long. They pay out every single week, just like a paycheck. They pay out every single week. And I just spread this on the internet because it helps people do all sorts of stuff. I mean, with insurance, with doctor stuff, with credit. It does everything. It's a video that's going to explain everything. You can get started with that as little as $20 a month, and they pay you anywhere from $20 to $100 per membership you sell. And I don't talk to family and friends. I post videos. That's how I make my money. Inside that program, they have a list of apps. One of the apps is the app that we're going to run a crazy play. It's called SoFi. A crazy play. I'm going to show you guys. This actually pays you out every single day. So there's a list of apps. So even you guys who want to look in it, need a little more visual, comment below free, and I'll send you a link to a free account so you can go back there and just start looking at stuff. But for you guys that are serious and want to start making and running this play today, you're going to sign up for the Savings Highway membership if you want. Either way, you're going to be able to use the main play. You're going to sign up for the membership. You can pay, they have 3, anywhere from $20 a month to $199 a month. Just look at the benefits and see where you want to go with that. You're going to go in the back office. You're going to log in. You're going to see your list of apps. You're going to create a SoFi account. This is the official bank of the NBA. Right now, they're just growing their network. So they're letting anybody in your network, they're allowing you to refer members to them. This is the play that's crazy. All you're doing is moving money from the left pocket to the right pocket. What do I mean by that? They're going to ask you to deposit a minimum of $50 in the account, if you want these bonuses. The first bonus is they're going to give you $25, and it's usually a day. Don't quote me on that. It's usually around a few hours that they deposit this. They're going to give you $25 just for depositing your money that you can use however you virtual card. You can wait till the debit card comes in the mail, or once everything they send you your bonus, you can distribute it to your other account or wherever you want to do with it. I use SoFi all the time because I don't use, like when I'm buying stuff online, I don't use my main bank accounts. I like to use these third-party accounts to do my business stuff. So everybody you refer to SoFi and they do what I just told you, they're going to pay you $75. So you do the math. You need an extra $500. It's going to be around 5 new customers a day. And I think they pay you up to $10,000 a year. Don't quote me on that. It could change. Just read the fine print. I think the limit is $10,000, which, I mean, for a part-time referral program, that's king. So that's how you're going to get your money back. And even if you join the $20 membership that I mentioned, they're going to give you $25 within the banking app anyway. So you're going to make that money right back anyways. So this is the play I'm running. And then for my full-time income, I use the savings program and I promote that the most. That's going to allow you to get weekly income and monthly income. So if you know anything about a subscription, when you pay a subscription, you pay it every single month. In this program, they're going to pay you every single month, a percent every single month when that customer renews. So I'm going to be spending most of the time that we work together showing you guys how to get customers. The setup process is the hardest part, and it's not hard, but that's the longest part. Everything else is simple. It's making videos. And just to give you a little bit so we can hurry up, how I make my videos is I'm targeting my audience. So if I've worked for many years, so I know all the struggles that go around working, I just know they're not paying. That's the easiest one. So, I'll say little things like, this is very generic. Aren't you tired of, one 15-minute break and 1:30 just to get paid? Not enough. That's very generic, but I'll put that in text. And I'll say, if you want to learn, and I don't like to just use make money if you want to quit your job. I don't use none of that. I'll say something simple, and it's more exciting. I left my factory job using these referral-based programs, and I'm showing 25 people how to be savings consultants. Drop info in the comment section. That's very generic, and I always tell people to drop info instead of go to a link, just because it boosts the algorithm and boosts the video. And we're making videos like that all day. I might record me walking and I'm putting text on the screen. The text on the screen is the most important. Me walking is just something where you're just not always looking at my face and it's boring and you just click off. It's a little visual. Let me see what they saying. And that's all we doing. I'm making videos all day and I'm making money. You know, just the last few days I made over $100 something with people I didn't even know. They just see my videos and bought a product. In this play, like I said, no one has to buy a product. It's just what they do. They have other apps too. We're going to be talking about the Monzo app as well soon. So if you want more information on this play, drop info in the comment section.